In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best silicone baking mat. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Kitzini Professional Grade Liner Sheets. If you're looking for a product with a built-in fan base, these Kitzini silicone baking mats with a 4.8-star rating and over 4,000 reviews on Amazon should do the trick. They're BPA-free and can withstand temperatures from frozen to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're durable too. The reviews section is full of shoppers who say they've used and loved their Kitzini baking mats for years. Get yourself a pack of 2, 3, or 4, all available on Amazon Prime. Number 6. Amazon Basics Silicone Food Safe. The Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat is the retailer's #1 seller in the category, with over 12,500 rave ratings. These mats are a great value, and each set includes 3 different sized mats: 9 by 13 inch, 9.85 by 14.76 inch, and 16.5 by 11.6 inch for only $15. They're valued for their easy-to-clean surface and overall usefulness in the kitchen, too. You can use them to roll out dough, prepare meals, store messy baking ingredients in your pantry, and, of course, to bake at temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. KPKitchen Set of 5 Silicone. Over 1,800 shoppers swear by these silicone baking mats, which are dishwasher dash, oven dash, microwave dash, and freezer safe. This set is particularly useful for the home cook who also enjoys baking cakes and brownies, since the collection includes mats that fit traditionally sized square and round pans as well. Number 4. Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone. Silpat is the original French baking sheet that has facilitated the production of many a pastry over the last few decades. The quality and endorsement from kitchen professionals has earned this brand a cult following. The iconic rust-rimmed border has become an industry design standard, but it started with Silpat. Though this mat can withstand heats of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher use is not suggested. Instead, wipe off food debris and hand wash before drying and storing. Number 3. CHERAINTI Grill Mat Oven Liner. The CHERAINTI Grill Mat is essentially a 16 by 70 inch heavy-duty swatch of silicone, designed for maximum customization while cooking. You can cut the roll to fit larger grills or ovens, and the material is sturdy enough to use for anything from cookies to steaks. Amazon users are thrilled with how easy it makes cooking juicy fish and meat cuts, eliminating the need to clean up a mess in the oven after cooking. Number 2. Kitchen Plus Home Silicone Baking Mats. These bright and colorful silicone baking mats from Kitchen Plus Home are not just fun to look at, they also have clean white lines and a modern layout to guide cookie portions and measurements along the edges. If you're cooking with kids, these mats are a great option. They're BPA-free and won't peel, crack or melt even when put to the test in the oven, microwave, or top rack of the dishwasher. What's more, no matter how many different ingredients you use on them, they won't absorb odors or flavors, according to reviewers. Number 1. Silicone Baking Mat Pyramid. Unlike the other options on this list, Dimrom's pyramid textured mat can create waffles. It can also give meat, fish, pizza, and even bread crisp and crunchy edges. Without the grease, the extra fat drips down from the food. Artists can even use the unique design of this FDA-grade mat for drying clay, resin, and other crafts.